I'm Ron from Kolleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable integrated with NetSuite, and today I'll show you how to create billing accounts with SuiteBilling. Very quickly, billing accounts, they help consolidate customer billing data, improving management and transparency. But remember, the best way to streamline and collect invoices generated by SuiteBilling is using Kolleno, the platform for automating payment reminders and tracking receivables. So the step-by-step is quite straightforward. First, we need to enable SuiteBilling. You can check that in Setup, Company, Enable Features. So in Transactions, you can see that we have billing, and you need to make sure that you have charge-based billing and that you have billing accounts here. You also need to set the consolidate projects on sales transactions preference. I have another video about this setup. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful NetSuite tutorials. And then you go to List, Relationships, Billing Accounts, New. If you have multiple subsidiaries like me, you will need to choose the correct one here from the subsidiary list. Make sure to select the custom form for whom you're creating this billing account, and if needed, create a new customer by clicking this plus new icon. You can then choose the correct currency on the right hand side, as well as the billing schedule for the account, and you will need to enter or select a start date on the right hand side. Once you're happy, you save your billing account in the top left. Please note that you can also create billing accounts for other records such as customer or subscription records. And that's it, you've successfully created the billing account. Make sure to give a like to this video and check the comment sections for more NetSuite tips. Bye bye.